Hello, this video will show you how to submit forms using the TourTrax mobile app. Works has two different forms used for different purposes, instant forms and asset-based forms. Let's take a look at instant forms first. An instant form can be used at any time without reading a tag or answering a job request, provided it's enabled in the configuration options. Pressing the menu button on your device or touching the TourTrax logo will bring up the TourTrax menu. From this area, there's an option called Instant Forms. Selecting this option will show you all the forms you have available to choose from. Pressing the Sync Forms button will update the list with the latest changes and revisions. Once you've found the desired form to fill out, press it and it will be downloaded to your phone. You will be prompted to confirm the selection. Once the form has been downloaded, you can start filling it out. On the main screen of the TourTrax mobile app, you'll notice a red notification icon next to the Forms button. This icon indicates the number of forms still waiting to be completed. To open the form you've just created, press the Forms button, then make your selection. Some forms have multiple pages to fill out. The text at the top of the screen shows the number of the page you're working on. The arrows at the bottom of the screen allow you to quickly navigate back and forth between pages. Let's take a quick look at what all the elements look like in a TourTrax form. Checkbox, Date Picker, Drop-down list, Email on Submit, GPS stamp, Information, Picture, Radio button, Signature capture, Table grid, Text box, Timestamp, and Yes/No. Once you've filled out all necessary elements, press Submit and the results will be uploaded online to TourTrax Works. Once it's been uploaded, it is removed from the phone, so always make sure to double-check your work first before sending. Now that we've discussed instant forms and form submission in detail, let's talk about the asset-based forms. Asset forms are automatically received on the TourTrax app when an NFC tag is read or a job is scheduled. For example, let's read an asset tag. Notice the message that appears on the screen indicating it had multiple forms assigned. These forms are automatically downloaded to the phone for completion. In this case, 2 forms were automatically downloaded and indicated by the number next to the Forms box. Pressing this box will bring up the Forms area, allowing you to choose one of the forms to work with. Form items that have stars indicate they are mandatory. As a minimum requirement, you will need to make sure that all of these starred fields are filled out in order to submit the form. When the form list has been successfully submitted, it is removed from the phone, and the forms list is updated to show you the remainder of the forms you were required to complete. Let's complete the second form. We've now completed all work assigned to us while being at the asset tag's location. Now let's look at jobs. A job is a scheduled task that has been assigned to you to visit an asset and complete forms. Jobs can be assigned to specific users, assets, and dates. When a job has been scheduled to start, it will automatically be sent to the users it's given to for their completion. When the job has been received, it is downloaded to the phone and placed into the Jobs area. The number of jobs to be completed is indicated by the icon next to the Jobs button. Pressing this button will bring up the Jobs area, allowing you to select a specific task to work on. Pressing the job displays critical information for the task, including the assignment due date and details. If work is being done directly for a customer, details are also provided, including names, addresses, and contact information. Additional details about the specific asset are also included, allowing you to quickly locate it and start working near it. If for any reason you can't do the job before the time is due, you can press the Reject button. This will both alert management staff and allow them to assign the task to someone else as required. An additional button, Proceed, is available when a tag is not assigned to an asset. This allows you to accept a job without scanning anything in cases where proof of presence is not required. Let's go ahead and scan the asset associated with this job. When the tag has been scanned, the job is removed from the list and the forms associated with it are downloaded to the phone. You can then proceed to perform the work required. This concludes our video tutorial on how to use forms in TourTrax Works. For more information, please contact us.